Hi guys, this is Dr. Chris and back in the video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to customize your Ben 10 watch. Make this into this using some colors. So how to make the Ben 10 watch part 2 or upgraded version. I have another video which is how to make a Ben 10 watch. I'll put the card on top and the link in the description. You can check out that. Now let's make this into this. This side you'll be needing a black marker, a green one, a ruler, a compass, and also a pencil. First, take the ruler and the pencil and strip your watch. Like this, and this is the part should color. Keep it on the floor. Then take your ruler. Measure how much is a centimeter of this. As you can see, it's 5.1. Just take it at 5. You put it 1.5 here, 1.5 here, 3, and the middle 2. So keep it on the floor. Take 1.5. Also here 1.5. Oops. Then draw a line. As you can see, the two lines are there and dots are there. Draw a line like this. Like this, then draw another line onto the other side. Just on the watch. Draw it like this. Then we have 1, 2, and 3. Color this green and green, and I'll be back. Color it. Make sure it is neat as possible. Don't worry about the lines, it will go once it's dried. Yep, you got it like this. Do it on this side also, the part where you made the line, this side, and I'll be back. And guys, I have colored both the side. Now take the black marker and color it on the middle, only this part, like this, only inside this part. You have to do it like this. Then you have to fold it to the way it's like that. Show you, keep it like this. Once again guys, if you want to watch the video how to make the Ben 10 watch, I'll put the card on top and the link in the description. You can go check it out, and also make sure you comment. Put this flap into it. Like this. You have it like this. Then you have to do it exactly like this on this side, so everything will go. For this, you need your compass. You can take any type of compass, and take your pencil, mount it it should be same like this. The point and the pencil should be same. Just tight it and then you can use it. Now keep it in the center. Somewhere here. Go a bit down and draw a half, like a arc over like this. Draw an arc. I'll just show you how much is this centimeter. It's 1.85, and you draw that arc, then you turn the other side and keep a bit back. Then draw the other arc. Like this. Should have something like this. Then bring your pencil. Take your ruler and draw it like this. Okay, I think the arc is too much, so just get an eraser and start erasing. And guys, I have erased a bit so you can see the arc over there. Then take your ruler and make a mark like this. The sideways, then again on the other way. Like this. Just increase it. Yeah, make it like this, then again do the same thing. Then do it again on this side. And guys, you should have something like this. And when you color it, it will come much better. Then take the green color and color it inside and the black on the outside. First I'll do the green, then I will be doing the black. And guys, I have colored the front part. Just color this around also, and also make sure it dries, or else it will just come to your hands like this. So I'll just do this and I'll come back. And guys, this is the finished one. Once it gets dried fully, it will become like this. Just keep it dry, and that's it, guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Sure, the outside part is white, but that's okay.